Welcome to Max Effort, the place where science meets sweat. We're diving deep into exercise, health and well-being, breaking down the facts, not the fluff. Whether you're here to train smarter, recover faster, or just feel your best, we've got you covered. No gimmicks, no BS, just real, evidence-based strategies to level up your body and mind. So if you're ready to put in max effort, let's get to it. I bet you didn't know how crucial muscle protein synthesis is for your fitness journey. We all want to feel fitter, stronger, and more energized. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, understanding how our muscles grow is key to unlocking your full potential. That's where muscle protein synthesis, or MPS, comes in. Think of it as assembling building blocks. Every time you work out, you create tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers. MPS steps in to repair these micro tears, making your muscles stronger and larger over time. This isn't just about aesthetics, although who doesn't love feeling good in their own skin? Building muscle is crucial for improving metabolism, boosting energy levels, and maintaining overall health as we age. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the science of MPS and how you can optimize it for maximum results. You've probably heard the phrase, no pain, no gain. And while I'm all about making exercise enjoyable, there's some truth to the saying. When we challenge our muscles during a workout, we're actually creating those microscopic tears that kickstart muscle protein synthesis. Resistance training, like lifting weights or using resistance bands, is particularly effective in stimulating MPS. This type of exercise puts stress on your muscles, signaling to your body to build them back stronger. But it's not just about lifting heavy weights. Even body weight exercises can trigger MPS and lead to muscle growth. However, it's important to remember that exercise also increases muscle protein breakdown, or MPB. This is the process of your body breaking down muscle proteins for energy. The key is to tip the scales in favor of MPS by providing your body with the right nutrients, especially protein, which we'll cover in the next section. We've established that exercise is the spark that ignites muscle protein synthesis, but protein is the fuel that keeps it burning strong. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. So, how much protein do you actually need to maximize MPS? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 20 grams of high-quality protein after a lower body workout. If you're working out your entire body, you might need up to 40 grams to adequately fuel muscle recovery. But it's not just about hitting your daily protein target, timing matters too. Spread your protein intake throughout the day, aiming for 20 grams every 3 hours or so. This ensures a steady supply of amino acids to support ongoing muscle building. When you first start challenging your muscles with resistance training, MPS primarily focuses on repairing the muscle damage caused by exercise. This is your body's way of adapting to the new demands you're placing on it. As you continue training consistently, MPS shifts its focus from repair to growth. You'll notice this as your muscles become more resilient to soreness, and you start seeing noticeable increases in strength and size. This transition reflects your body becoming more efficient at building and remodeling muscle tissue. Markers like Z-line streaming, which indicate muscle damage, decrease as your training progresses. This is a positive sign that your body is adapting and becoming more resilient. Remember, consistency is key. Regular exercise and adequate protein intake are essential for driving this positive adaptation. Let's dive a little deeper into the fascinating world of muscle protein synthesis. Inside each of your cells are tiny factories called ribosomes, responsible for assembling amino acids into new proteins. When you engage in resistance training, your body responds by increasing the production of ribosomes. This increase in ribosomal capacity, or the number of ribosomes available, allows your muscles to synthesize proteins more efficiently. Think of it like this. The more protein factories you have, the faster and more effectively you can build new muscle tissue. This process of ribosomal biogenesis is essential for supporting the muscle growth and remodeling stimulated by exercise. Efficiency is key to maximizing protein synthesis. We've talked about the importance of protein intake and ribosomal capacity for muscle growth. But there's another critical factor at play called translational efficiency. This refers to how effectively each ribosome can translate genetic information into new proteins. Essentially, it's not just about having a lot of factories. It's about ensuring those factories are running smoothly and efficiently. While research is ongoing, it's clear that both translational efficiency and capacity play crucial roles in maximizing muscle protein synthesis and subsequently, muscle growth. Factors like proper nutrition, adequate rest, and managing stress levels can all influence translational efficiency. By focusing on these lifestyle factors alongside your training, you can create an optimal environment for your body to build muscle effectively. Patience is a virtue, the time course of muscle growth. In our world of instant gratification, it's easy to get impatient when it comes to seeing results from our training, but when it comes to muscle growth, patience is key. While you might notice some initial changes in muscle size early on, these are often due to temporary swelling rather than true muscle hypertrophy. Measurable increases in muscle fiber cross-sectional area, a true indicator of muscle growth, typically take several weeks, often 6 to 7 weeks or more of consistent training to become apparent. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent with your training and nutrition. And remember that building muscle is a gradual process that takes time and dedication. The results will be worth the effort. High-intensity interval training and muscle growth. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has gained popularity for its time-efficient nature and ability to torch calories. But how does it stack up against resistance training when it comes to building muscle? While high-T can stimulate muscle protein synthesis, it does so to a lesser degree than resistance training. Research suggests that HIIT preferentially increases mitochondrial protein synthesis, which is linked to improved endurance, rather than myofibrillar protein synthesis, which is directly responsible for muscle growth. This doesn't mean you should ditch HIIT altogether. It's a fantastic way to improve cardiovascular health and can be incorporated alongside resistance training for a well-rounded fitness routine. Conclusion: unlocking your muscle building potential. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of muscle protein synthesis to the factors that influence its efficiency. The key takeaway is this: building muscle is a multifaceted process that requires a combination of effective training, proper nutrition, and adequate rest. By incorporating resistance training into your routine, consuming enough protein, and prioritizing your recovery, you can create an environment where muscle protein synthesis thrives. Remember, consistency and patience are your allies in this journey. Don't get caught up in quick fixes or unrealistic expectations. Embrace the process, fuel your body properly, and enjoy the incredible benefits of a stronger, healthier you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.